Hey folks, it's Darren from Ziebart. We talk about our windshield treatment all the time, so I'm running through a car wash. I want you to see just how awesome this acts on your window. So as they get my car wet and soapy, watch what happens to the window. You can see just how quickly it moves the water off. What this is designed to do is make it better to see in bad weather. So I'm gonna be quiet and just let you watch this. Look at that run off the car. Now they're going to do a gentle spray and watch what happens. This is why it helps in bad weather. Look at that. My windshield is literally almost dry. Water's just running off of it. And we haven't even gotten to the dryer yet. Now the dryer's getting ready to start, and watch the water go again. So if you're on the interstate, that's kind of what you see driving above 40 to 45 miles an hour. If you've never had Ziebart's windshield treatment, check us out, Ziebart.com.